welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. So bet a lot of you may be wondering what this is. Well, from the look of it, maybe you already know, and if you guessed Albemoscus esculentus, then you are correct. You know what that is, right? Albemoscus esculentus is a scientific name for okra, and that's what we'll be talking about today. I mean, okra water has been trending. Pretty sure you've seen a lot of the videos, right? All over social media. Everyone is excited about it. Well, whilst a lot of the health benefits are not being spoken about, I'm happy to know that everyone who is drinking it is actually reaping the health benefits of drinking okra water. Hope you are drinking it too. Anyway, it has gained a whole lot of attention because it is being spoken about with the fact that it helps to increase the libido of both male and female. And you know, so once it increases the libido, everybody gonna get excited about that, right? But here what, guys, in today's video we are going to explore that phenomenon along with all the other health benefits that we can get when we drink okra water. Pretty sure you want to know about it, so stay tuned. And guess what, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. Share the video so everybody who has been seeing the trends of okra water or who is drinking it can know about the additional benefits. Also, give this video a like and share it. Don't keep the information to yourself, guys. Share it. Alright, so let's go right into this video and chit chat about it, right? Alright, let's go. Okra water is believed to contain the same amount of nutrients contained in the okra fruit. The table below, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, shows some of the nutrients contained in every 100 grams of okra. Now, let's dive into some of the benefits. It increases libido. In women, okra is believed to help boost sex drive by increasing estrogen levels. Estrogen is a sex hormone in women that plays an important role in the female reproductive cycle. Because it may naturally increase estrogen levels, okra water is a great aphrodisiac. Prevents birth defects. Folate, also known as vitamin B9 or folic acid, is an essential vitamin for women of reproductive age and pregnant women. Folate is required for the repair of damaged DNA in cells, the production of red blood cells, and the prevention of birth defects, particularly those involving the brain and spinal cord. Boost fertility. While there is no evidence to show that okra water can make one fertile, it can enhance your chances of conceiving because of its rich supply of nutrients such as folate. It may also improve fertility via its effect on the levels of estrogen in the body. In addition, being obese or overweight can negatively affect fertility, and drinking okra water can help in maintaining a healthy weight. Increases genital lubrication. It is believed that okra water increases libido and prevents dryness in the genitalia. With the increased lubrication, there is less discomfort for women during sexual intercourse. Reduces pain and inflammation. Because of its inflammatory properties, okra water may help decrease pain and inflammation in women with endometriosis. As for men, it also improves libido. Okra water may affect the male reproductive system by increasing the amount of testosterone present in the body, hence enhancing sexual desire. Okra water increases sperm count. Okra water is packed with vitamins like folate and minerals like zinc and selenium. These help to provide good nourishment for sperm production and may boost sperm count. May help with erectile dysfunction. Some minerals in okra, zinc in particular, are vital for the improvement of sexual competence. Zinc deficiency in men has recently been linked to erectile dysfunction. Low levels of zinc may also affect the development of the testes and cause low sperm count, leading to problems with fertility. Helps combat cancer. Okra is packed with antioxidants such as polyphenols and vitamins A and C. These are substances that help to protect our cells from damage by free radicals. This helps to prevent the development of cancerous cells. May help with blood sugar control. As shown in the table, okra has a low calorie content, an even lower fat content, and a high fiber content. This makes it a great option for people with diabetes. While more research is needed, many groups of people have been using it as a traditional remedy for high blood sugar. Aids in weight loss. The fact that okra water is low in calories and fat but high in fiber, adding it to your weight loss regime can help you lose weight. May contribute to heart health. Okra water is believed to provide some form of protection to the heart. This is possibly due to a combination of benefits such as weight loss and the presence of antioxidants. Okra water may also have a cholesterol-lowering effect. Helps in the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in the blood that helps to carry oxygen to every part of the body. Okra contains high levels of iron, which is one of the major building blocks of hemoglobin.